I would like to talk about a part of collapse of Darwin's theory. My topic is going to be called a natural selection, which means for Darwin is an evolutionary mechanism, but I think it is in fact no evolutionary power. Natural selection cannot create new species. I mean, just as it's impossible for life to occur on Earth by chance. However, Darwin asserted that there are species that they do transform themselves to another species. For no such power that exists in nature, what we call nature is some of unconscious atoms that make up the soil, rocks, air, water, and everything else. This lifeless heap of matter has no power to transform an invertebrate creature into a fish and make it climb on land and turn into a reptile and turn into a bird and make it fly and finally make it a human. Darwin just claims the opposite meaning of this, that he proposed a single concept as his evolutionary mechanism. The title of his book, which clearly reveals the importance he gave his mechanism, the origin of species, by means of natural selection. Natural selection is based on this idea that strong individuals that are well adapted to their habitats will survive. For example, in a herd of deers threatened by predators. Ones that can run faster will survive. After a while, the deers will mostly consist of strong, swift individuals as the weaker and slower ones fall prey. However, this mechanism does not cause deers to evolve. It does not transform them to another species, for instance horses. Natural selection can only eliminate weak, disabled, and sick individuals and ensures the continuance and health of particular species. So it has no evolutionary power. Well, Darwin was also aware of this problem. He confessed in his book, The Origin of Species, saying that natural selection can do nothing until favorable variations chance to occur. As a result, it is clear fact that natural selection cannot create new species, and all living beings are created by God.